Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable parental controls on your Microsoft device. First, open Task Manager, then click on the services here. Now look for a service called WPC MON SBC Parental Control. Here, search for this one. Now look for a service, then press W on your keyboard to scroll faster. Right click on it and choose Open Services. Here, then Open Services. In the service window, press P on your keyboard to quickly jump to parental controls. This one, right click on it and then click Properties. After that, change it from automatic to disabled. Here it is, click on disabled and then simply click Apply and then OK. Finally, close both windows and that's it. Parental controls are now disabled on your Microsoft account. If you are still having issues, then make sure you're signed in with an administrator account. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Take care.